Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about setting up multiple Tinder accounts. Whether it's for exploring different vibes, testing bios, or starting fresh, and no worries, we'll do this the right way. Following Tinder's guidelines, let's dive in. So the first way is to open the Tinder account. Tap on the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile section. From here, you can update and change your personal informations. So after you're in your profile section, tap on the settings icon on the top right corner, then scroll down until you see delete account or logout. First way is to delete your current account and create a new one. The second way is to use third-party apps like VPN, which I don't personally recommend. So the best way to have multiple Tinder accounts would be to go ahead and tap on logout or delete account. Then you can sign up with a different email or phone numbers. And now you guys know how to create multiple Tinder accounts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.